I always wanted to somehow help people and make a difference. Just knowing that I'm potentially protecting someone from something tragic happening, that keeps me going every day.
I came to TSO because I wanted to make a difference, putting this uniform on, knowing I can make a difference and keep my fellow Americans safe.
Dedication, determination, safety, and security. Since shortly after September 11, 2001, the men and women of the Transportation Security Administration have been screening people and property at airports, standing together and helping to keep our skies safe. Transportation security officers work hard to move passengers efficiently through the checkpoint while never letting their guard down. And the TSO must be prepared to handle a variety of challenges.
And there's a great sense of satisfaction every day. At the end of your shift, you know that the people that got on the planes at your airport are going to get to their destination safely.
Millions of passengers, hundreds of airports, one mission. Security is our focus, and it requires integrity, innovation, and team spirit to protect the nation's transportation systems. Do you have what it takes to become a TSO? Find out. Visit tsajobs.tsa.dhs.gov to learn more about the TSO position and apply today.